course, it goes without saying, we tell you the beautiful triple play. Ookla, this is what's going on in the background. This one is called Story of the Heart. So let it linger for a minute or two while we soothe our sorrows with it. Ookla. That is the Don Nitro. The track is titled Story of the Heart. Now here's the story of my heart on this beautiful Column Monday. The story of my heart is, when are we going to empower our youth? When are we going to have fun with our youth with regards to business? Now, on this day, we focus on nothing but business. So the question of the day, the poll is, on this beautiful Column Monday, how do we empower black youth to be business orientated? Because we see it every day. Right now we have a bit of a problem in our, let me not say townships, but our homesteads. You name it, whatever it is. But the sooner you leave the Joburg region, the Gauteng region, that's where a lot of political unrest happens. As we speak, we're looking at the Northwest. Speaking of the Northwest, we have a trip that is supposed to be scheduled for this coming Friday, the 27th, because we have a performance on the 28th of April. This is going to be in Vryburg, the Northwest. But with this political unrest, how are we supposed to be doing that? Right now, you look at Mafikeng, you look at Klerksdorp, there's so many protests happening, so much political unrest because of the unhappiness of the citizens. Supra must fall, so they say. We are tired of the corruption. We're tired of things not happening that we're expecting to happen. So Supra must just take a chill pill and sit down. Now, with that being said, what is happening to the youth? The matriculants going to school are complaining that they are so close to the year end. In fact, this is the crucial time of their matric, because towards the end of the year, they can just hubuluza and focus on studying. But right now, this is the time where they need to have every form of information in their heads as much as they can. So with these political unrest, kids cannot go to school. Buses are being burnt down. Taxis are being burnt down. Private cars are being burnt down. Civilians are being beaten to pulps. Or they could be civilians or they could be government officials. But nonetheless, people are being beaten down. And when you take a look in the background, looting is happening. The shopo zamakula, so you call them, zama Somalia in the hoods, are being broken into. Now, my question is, what affiliation do our foreign brothers have with Ndate Supra Mahumabelo? With the governmental, with the way the government is being ran? I mean, do we need to break into people's shops and say, yo, Rabata Supra Awe, when I write what good is that going to do? People talk to me. Time right now is 23 minutes after the hour of 12, and you can link up with us on 061-423-9822. But now, the topic of the day is, how do we empower the black youth to be more business orientated? Do holler at me, talk to me. You can leave a voice note, you can leave an answer, you can even leave a song suggestion that talks about black empowerment. With regards to business, with regards to anything, it is 061-423-9822. That is the WhatsApp line, or you can holler at us on Facebook, and that is where you saw the question first. How do we empower the black youth to be more business orientated? The Facebook handle is Maximum Styles Radio, and that is the official fan page for the radio. Otherwise, you can also follow us on Twitter and Instagram. It is MS Radio on both platforms. If not, follow your boy on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And on Facebook, it is Efiso Mbasti. And if not on Facebook, you can still follow your boy on the gram. It is Mbasti on Instagram. On Twitter, it is Afiso_Mbasti. And very soon, you'll be hearing a lot of music being played on this very channel. But before we do, let us touch a little on this black empowerment issue, because after the top of the hour, we will be talking top 10 influential business people who are under the age of 30, and they were dubbed the most influential by Forbes magazine. Kuala, in South Africa, top 10 influential youth by Forbes. Otherwise, you wouldn't be listening to the Soul Train. And this is how I take you to the next level. But before we do, don't forget, this show never runs alone. This is what you can always find.
Sunshine this morning, I feel the mystic from the wind, the joy I feel within. Yeah, I'm not talking no side of the powers of the King Emperor Selassie the first. Yeah, I'm not click out the fire about them for do. I want ball of fire with the roll. In I dance.
Well, first answer to that, I guess, is that, every night I'm up till about midnight.
There's something pure about the way you hold my hand. There's something cool when you remind me what I got to do. It's all so fresh all around you, all around you.
Only on Elvis Radio.
Kung Fu smile, you knock me over with your Kung Fu smile. You knock me over with your Kung Fu smile. You knock me over with your Kung Fu smile. There's something sweet about the way you talk to me. There's something pure about the way you hold my hand. There's something cool when you remind me what I got to do. It's all so fresh all around you, all around you, all around you. You knock me over with your Kung Fu smile. You knock me over with your Kung Fu smile. You knock me over with your Kung Fu smile. You knock me over with your Kung Fu smile. On to yourself.
Hang on.
You knock me over with your Kung Fu smile. You knock me over with your Kung Fu smile. You knock me over with your Kung Fu smile. You knock me over with your Kung Fu smile. You knock me over with your Kung Fu smile. You knock me over with your Kung Fu smile. You knock me over with your Kung Fu smile. You knock me over with your Kung Fu smile. You knock me over with your Kung Fu smile. You knock me over with your Kung Fu smile. You knock me over with your Kung Fu smile. You knock me over with your Kung Fu smile.
Yes, that's right. That track was called Hang On To Yourself, Rachel by 340 Males. You knocked me over with your Kung Fu smile. Quite a beautiful smile indeed. Where Namdana Onsuntu. Yes, to recap on how we started the day, we started off the day with a beautiful triple play, of course. The track started, the triple play was Ntando Hlenkiwe, a beautiful song indeed, a never heard in a long time track right there, a beautiful throwback. This coming from having spent almost half a day with Ntando at the Summer 24 nominee announcement party. That's right, Brandando was there, and little did we know that Brother Man, as much as he may be a vocalist, he is a ragamuffin donkey. That's right, that man is a toaster right there, deep into the dancehall and reggae thing there, that vibe thing there. But if you know your music very well, you could even pick up the reggae element in his music. Otherwise, the second track that came through was Zahara, Shine. We all want to shine, and we all believe that we all have that bit of shine. Wherever it is, we are going to shine as long as we set foot and our mind to it. Now, this will also be followed by a little interview we had with Zahara come the Summer 24th that was held last week Thursday. That's right, we had our own personal interview with the goddess herself. Usis Zahara gave us a beautiful song called Shine, and we're going to hear more from her later on today. The third track is Sade, King of Sorrow. Beautiful throwback right there, and it was very much needed because we need to be the kings of our sorrow. Just because we feel the sorrow does not mean we have to drown in the sorrow. That sorrow is just there to teach us that we are human and we're alive, but we need to rise above that pain. Acknowledge that pain, let that pain build us, let that pain make us better man. Otherwise, right now time is 12:32, and you know every time we reach that halfway mark, we always give you a double play. So right now, here's how we started off. We give you Beauty of Little Dragon. This one is called Little Man, Ukwa, right here on
Only on MS Radio.